Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to make this hoodie design. We're going to be using Canva and AI. So if you want to see how I made this, stay tuned. Okay, so the first step is research. You always want to look and see what is going on right now, what's popular. So you can use Etsy, you can use TikTok, but you just want to see what everyone is searching for. Since it's fall, I decided on the football niche. Okay, so the next step we're going to do is we're going to go over to ChatGPT and then we're going to ask it to give us some football ideas. So here you see I have give me 5 football inspired design ideas that I can use for a t-shirt or a hoodie. Now I'm using a prompt generator. If you struggle with prompts and you want to know how you can get better with creating prompts to get your designs to come to life, just comment prompt and I'll show you how you can get the same thing as well. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pick one of these prompts and I'm going to go over and put it into my AI generator. Okay, so now that you have your prompt from ChatGPT, what you want to do is go over to Canva. Now we're going to use the Canva AI and we're going to create an image. So we're going to paste in the prompt and we're going to let it generate. Okay, so now it has finished generating, so we're going to pick one of these designs and you're going to download it. Okay, so now that you've downloaded your design, you want to go into upload files and you want to upload it into Canva. So here you see how we still have this gray background. We want to get rid of that, so you'll hit background remover. And now we just have the text and we have the outline right there. And before we download this, you want to make sure it's a transparent background. So we'll go to share, download, it's a PNG, and we're going to do transparent background, and we're just going to upgrade the quality. Okay, so now I am uploading our design as a transparent background, and you can see that it's uploading correctly because it has this checkered type design in the back, which shows that it's transparent and it's just the design. All right, so now that we have it, you can see that it's high resolution. It just has the graffiti in the background and then the text. That's exactly what we want. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what it would look like if I were to put it on this hoodie. I'm just going to click the design and then you can resize it. And there you have it. Okay, so here is our final design. Now this will work for any design that you choose, but when you put this up on your website or on Etsy, you want to use a realistic looking model. So here is an AI model that I have here. And again, the designs that I showed you, the prompt, it'll work for any niche that you have. So again, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, just put it in the comments and make sure that you're following me on Instagram and here on YouTube as well as on TikTok. I'll put all of that below. Again, thanks for watching. Until next time.